Hello everyone, my name is Bianca and I'm the Special Programs Coordinator for Chrysalis Ministries. I wanted to make a video so that I could give you a tour of our office area and you could see the mountains of bags of toys that will be given out to families tomorrow night at our annual Light Up a Heart Children's Christmas program. This year we did partner with the Bexar County Sheriff's Office and we're so excited because we will be serving over 1,500 children tomorrow evening. Thank you so much to all of the donors, everyone who has just been so incredibly supportive of this program, various individuals, churches, organizations. We have cried, we've laughed, we've danced, we've celebrated with everything that just comes in, and it's not even over yet. The party is tomorrow. Look at these toys. It's really incredible. Thank you so much. We know that we're going to bring so much cheer to so many families. This is one of our elves in our wrapping room where all of the stuff gets done. Again, thank you so much. Please keep us in your prayers. God bless you and have a Merry Christmas.